Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download and install Ldplayer on your PC. If you want to run Android apps and games on your computer, we will walk you through the whole process, step by step. Let's get started. On the Ldplayer website, we need to click the Windows Ldplayer option. If you see Android or iOS options, just click the one that matches your device. Since we are on Windows, we will click Windows Ldplayer. Once we click it, a small window will appear asking us to confirm the download. We will click Save. The file will now start downloading. The download is now complete. We can now open the file and start installing Ldplayer. Just follow the on-screen steps to finish the setup. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded and installed Ldplayer on our PC. We can now start enjoying our favorite Android apps and games on the computer.